The FLASHFORGE Creator Pro 2 is a professional-grade dual extrusion 3D printer designed for makers, hobbyists, and advanced users who want reliable multicolor and multi-material printing capabilities. Featuring an independent dual extruder, IDEX system, sturdy metal frame construction, enclosed acrylic covers, and multiple printing modes, the Creator Pro 2 delivers versatile and high-quality printing performance for both creative and functional projects. One of the standout features of the Creator Pro 2 is its independent dual extruder, IDEX system. Unlike traditional dual nozzle printers, each extruder operates independently, allowing cleaner dual color and dual material printing with reduced filament contamination and stringing. This setup also enables advanced printing functions such as mirror mode and duplicate mode, making batch production faster and more efficient. The printer supports 4 different printing modes, including single extrusion mode, dual extrusion mode, mirror mode, and duplicate mode. Mirror mode allows symmetrical models to be printed simultaneously, while duplicate mode prints 2 identical models at once, significantly increasing productivity for small-scale manufacturing and prototyping. FLASHFORGE equipped the Creator Pro 2 with dual direct drive extruders that provide precise filament feeding and improved extrusion control. The direct drive system handles flexible filaments like TPU more effectively, while also supporting materials such as PLA, ABS, PETG, ASA, HIPS, and PVA. This flexibility makes the printer suitable for engineering models, support material printing, and complex dual material projects. The Creator Pro 2 features a durable metal frame structure combined with enclosed acrylic covers and a removable top lid. The enclosed design helps maintain stable internal temperatures during printing, improving print quality for high-temperature materials like ABS and ASA. The enclosure also reduces external airflow interference and helps contain fumes more effectively during long print sessions. Another major advantage is the optimized heated build platform with an anti-scrape design. The heated bed improves first-layer adhesion and reduces warping issues, while the upgraded platform design helps protect printed surfaces during nozzle movement. The printer uses a 3-point leveling system that simplifies bed calibration for users. The Creator Pro 2 comes with a 32-bit motherboard that improves printing stability and processing performance. The touchscreen interface allows users to navigate menus, adjust temperatures, manage files, and monitor print progress easily. The printer also supports folder browsing directly from storage devices, helping users organize projects more efficiently. The printer arrives mostly pre-assembled, making setup easier for beginners compared to many DIY-style machines. FLASHFORGE also includes useful accessories such as spool holders, tools, spare parts, and sample filament to help users start printing quickly after setup. Community reviews often praise the Creator Pro 2 for its reliable IDEX performance, strong build quality, and excellent dual-color printing capabilities. Many users appreciate its enclosed design and consistent print results, especially for ABS and engineering materials. Some reviewers note that the printer can be noisier than newer silent driver models, but overall print quality and versatility remain highly respected. Overall, the FLASHFORGE Creator Pro 2 is an excellent dual extrusion 3D printer that combines advanced IDEX functionality, durable construction, enclosed printing, and versatile material compatibility into one reliable machine. Its multiple print modes and independent dual extruders make it a strong choice for creators who want professional-style, multi-material, and multicolor 3D printing performance.